What's up, frigate chasers? In this video, we make an anchor holder for our upgraded breakaway anchor on our MacGregor 26. In our last video, we covered how to prevent a leaky ballast tank. You may want to check that out. We upgraded to an 18.5-pound Lewmar Claw Anchor, and it was donated to us by Captain Poopy Pants. For the anchor holder, we used a 2-foot long, 3-inch in diameter PVC pipe. You, however, may want to go bigger or smaller depending on your anchor. I marked out a slot on the PVC pipe slightly smaller than the anchor for the anchor to rest in. This allows the anchor to be pinched in for a secure ride. Tools used for this project are a hole saw, drill, reciprocating saw, a Dremel or sandpaper, nut driver, and very large hose clamps. If you have one, use a bench vise to hold your PVC pipe. Grab a hole saw to make a hole at the bottom of your slot. After that, use the reciprocating saw on the 2 cut lines. And then clean it up with a Dremel or sandpaper. Test your fit and use the Dremel or your sandpaper to slowly chip away on the PVC till you have your desired fit. If you find you are getting anything out of this video, be awesome and hit that like button. Then you can head over to your other shop and mount it to your boat. Here we have all the parts laid out for a second axle on the MacGregor trailer. Let us know in the comments what video you would like to see next. How we added a second axle to the factory MacGregor trailer, or how we installed 2 additional batteries to the V-berth. After a test fit on the boat, I decided to flatten the edge of the pipe where it will be resting on the gel coat. Add your hose clamps and go to town with your nut driver. I actually ended up mounting the anchor holder on the starboard side as it is easier to work with when the anchor locker is open. We also ended up cutting a hole in the corner of the anchor locker for the anchor rope to slip through, and this also doubles as shore power access. If you want to see how we added shore power through the anchor locker, let us know in the comments. We do still keep the original Danforth anchor in the anchor locker and use it as a stern anchor from time to time. Now that you've watched the whole video, you are required to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're feeling generous, you could always grant us a super thanks, and frigate out.